do now is I want to make the juggling balls that that our cake is gonna have, the balls that are gonna sit next to the cake. I didn't want to make them, I mean, I could have just rolled a ball and made it out of solid fondant, but I didn't want to do that. First of all, it'd be really heavy and it's a lot of fondant. And I kind of wanted them, you know, fairly good size. So what I have, I think these are 2-inch balls right here, styrofoam balls. You can get these in any size. And I'm actually going to compress it down, which you don't have to do. They were out of the 1.5-inch size, so which is what I wanted. So you can squish them. So here I've got a ball. Now I have to tell you, we do this a lot when we make figures too. When I make bigger figures, and you know, I'm not going to use, you know, Rice Krispie treat or cake, something that's, you know, too small to use Rice Krispie treat or cake for, but too big that I really want to be a solid ball of fondant. We use these in round and egg shape to make like bodies and heads of figures. So just another option. And if you don't, you know, mind it not, if you want it totally edible, you know, then you're going to use the solid sugar. But okay, so what I've done is I've got my ball shape here. I'll put a little shortening on the ball so that my fondant will stick to it, hopefully. And then what I want to make sure is that I roll this and it has no, styrofoam off my hands, it has no creases in it. So you want to roll it so it has no creases in it. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to press it onto this ball and shape it around. Okay, and I'm just pushing against my palm and rolling the fondant as it continues to go around. So I should end up with a very thin layer of fondant. Any excess we can just cut off when we get around to the other end. This also helps when you roll it so that you don't end up with air in it. And then the excess, just going to pull off. Okay, now what I want is to coat my hands in shortening so that I can get rid of, this is where it joined together, and roll it